Hello crafters, I'm coming in with another DIY art bin store project. They are on AliExpress and I will have the link down below for this cute little adorable die. So you all know I'm obsessed with gingerbread, but it is not Christmas time yet, but Halloween is coming up. And with my last gingerbread, I turned her into a little goth gingerbread. And this time I'm doing kind of like a scary monster. I don't even know. She's not really scary. She's a cute little monster. But anyway, I just love how they have the little lines embossed on here so you know where to put the eyes and the little rickrack pieces. And she comes with a little icing head. I love how you have the little extra eyes here for you. You also have some little reindeer antlers with the little ears. You have a scarf. You have so many little things to dress her up. Cute little dress. And I don't know if this is actually the fluff for the dress, but I turned it into that. And then I just love this little beanie hat. And then these bows are super cute too. So I'm going to put this aside. And of course you have little pieces for the rickrack. That's the most important thing because I just love that. So also there is another die that I used, and I purchased this from KSCraft on Amazon, and they also have an AliExpress store as well. But if this die is still available, I will put the link down below. If it is not, that means it is not available anymore. So anyway, I will put this to the side real quick and show you what I made because I just love it. So instead of making a mini album, I made a circular easel card, and then I added on this cute little donut on top along with a little gingerbread girl. And I don't know if you have ever watched that cartoon called Johnny Test. He kind of has like this winged out crazy looking hair, and the cupcake icing reminded me of that. So I just kind of tucked it under the beanie to make it look like some winged hair. Let me get a little closer up there. I hope you can kind of tell. I apologize that the color is not so great on my camera today. Anyway, I'm sorry. I don't know what my problem is. I have videoed this 5 times and I still can't talk. So I'm just going to try to wing it and get through this. But I absolutely love the paper by Anna's Wonderland on YouTube. And her Etsy shop is called For the Love of Art by Lace Boutique One. Or you can just find her by Lace Boutique One. And that's how I found her. I will have her link down below. But I love her cute little lollipop, and she has this cute little spider web balloon, and I love the little scully bow, and of course this adorable cute little ghost paper. And I apologize, I kind of covered that up. Oh, and then inside is the little scully paper that she has. So I think you all will just love this. Now for the happy birthday Midge, I created that on Photoshop. And then I went ahead and cut it out on my Cricut, and the Hey Boo as well. I actually did this as a print and cut. So I think it turned out so cute. Look at the little ring pop. I just love that. Sorry, let me just kind of lift it this way. A little ring pop and the little candies. I just love Anna's paper. And then I put a little personal note on the back. But anyway, I hope you all love this, and I definitely think you need to get this gingerbread in your stash. There's so many different things besides Christmas that you can use your gingerbreads for, especially if you're obsessed with them like I am. But anyway, I have no idea if my friend is obsessed with gingerbreads, but I thought this would be a little bit unique and different than what she would normally get as a birthday card. So anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day, and I will see you all again soon with another project. Bye, guys.